Imagine a world where your wildest creative visions can come to life with just a few clicks, where AI becomes an artistic ally, and where the boundaries of visual storytelling are shattered. In this thrilling video, we'll show you the mind-boggling results of Adobe Firefly that have left even the most seasoned Photoshop experts in awe. It's no secret that Photoshop has been the go-to tool for image manipulation, but Firefly takes things to a whole new level. The images it generates are not just ordinary cut and paste jobs. They seamlessly bend elements, change backgrounds, and even add reflections, all thanks to the genius of AI technology. And the best part, Firefly isn't just reserved for a select few. It's available for everyone to explore and create stunning visual masterpieces. But here's the catch. We didn't expect it to be out of beta yet, making the surprise release an absolute game changer. Ladies and gentlemen, digital age photographers, designers, and artists, get ready to be completely astounded by a revolutionary tool that has the online community in utter shock and excitement. Today, we embark on an extraordinary adventure as we unveil the incredible story of how Adobe's Firefly, the generative AI tool for Photoshop, has taken the world of image editing by storm. So get ready to witness the magic unfold before your eyes as we take you on a step-by-step tutorial of how to access Firefly, how it works its wonders, and the fantastic results you can achieve. From expanding images to adding bears to the scenery, we'll show you why this tool has the potential to save you tons of time and unlock a world of endless creative possibilities. Firefly is the enchanting genie in Adobe's digital lamp, capable of conjuring visual wonders with a simple text prompt. Forget the hassle of manual image manipulation. With Firefly, creativity flows as freely as a midnight sky filled with stars. Just enter your prompt and watch as AI weaves its spell, transforming your ideas into vibrant visual tales. What sets Firefly apart from its peers is its magical ability to combine images seamlessly. It's like a digital Picasso, effortlessly blending elements from various sources to create breathtaking collages that even art connoisseurs would envy. Gone are the days of traditional cut and paste. Firefly's AI prowess takes the concept of collage to a whole new stratosphere. Picture this, a serene landscape with a frozen lake adorned by shimmering northern lights, a sight that seems too surreal to be true. Well, think again. Firefly's artistic wizardry can make this dreamy scene a reality in a matter of moments. But wait, there's more. It doesn't stop at mere image enhancements. Firefly even adds reflections and tweaks backgrounds, leaving you mesmerized by the awe-inspiring results. Firefly isn't just a blip on the AI radar. It's a resplendent comet that elevates the role of artificial intelligence in image editing. Where others stumble and fall, Firefly gracefully dances, combining AI and artistic vision in a symphony of perfection. It's like having a digital assistant that not only understands your vision, but brings it to life with a touch of enchantment. How do I access Firefly? Cracking the code to Photoshop Beta. Fear not, for it's not as tricky as deciphering ancient runes. Head to the Creative Cloud, and there, like a secret portal, awaits the Beta app section. Just click, download, and ta-da! You're one step closer to unleashing the AI enchantment. Once you've crossed the threshold of the Photoshop Beta, the generative fill tool beckons like a friendly guide. Armed with your text prompt, you'll find yourself navigating through a world of possibilities. Click here, select there, and voila! AI takes the reins, and you become the conductor of an artistic orchestra. We're in the digital age after all, and like a guardian angel, Firefly requires an online connection to work its magic. So remember, keep those Wi-Fi wings spread wide, and you'll be soaring through the realms of AI creativity in no time. Are you ready to unleash your inner digital Picasso with Firefly Photoshop? Or are you still trying to catch your breath from the jaw-dropping results? Let us know in the comments below if you're as mesmerized by this AI magic as we are. And don't worry, there's more enchantment to come, so stay tuned. Tips and tricks for enchanting creativity. Bid farewell to undesired elements with a mere whisper of a command. Firefly's generative fill can make them vanish like a magician's flourish. Your images will emerge pristine, ready to captivate even the most discerning eyes. Let nature's wonders dance across your canvas. With Firefly's magic, you can sprinkle your images with delightful elements like plants, objects, and more. Be the master of your artistic destiny as you orchestrate every enchanting detail. Compose with the grace of a maestro. As you orchestrate the perfect visual symphony, Firefly empowers you to enhance your backgrounds, infuse life into your scenes, and create captivating storytelling experiences like never before. Becoming an artistic sorcerer with Firefly may take some practice. But fear not, the learning curve is part of the magic. Embrace the dance of creation, adapt, experiment, and revel in the wonders you'll conjure with this fantastic AI tool. Potential impact: a revolution unleashed. Firefly is a catalyst, a spark that ignites a revolution in image editing. It's not just a tool, it's the harbinger of change that will transform how artists, designers, and photographers wield their creativity. In the blink of an eye, Firefly turns hours of meticulous editing into moments of artistic revelation. The precious time saved can now be channeled into pushing creative boundaries and dreaming up new wonders. Whether you're a Photoshop wizard or a curious novice, Firefly beckons with open arms. Its intuitive interface and AI artistry will delight experts and newcomers alike, making creativity accessible to all. As AI art progresses, the possibilities are endless. Firefly is merely the beginning, a glimpse of the magic that lies ahead. With each update and advancement, we'll witness the birth of new creative wonders and the dawn of an artistic renaissance. So there you have it, the enchanting tale of Adobe's Firefly Photoshop. From generative AI magic to transforming image editing, it's a journey that promises to change the way we create, imagine, and tell stories through art. So, embrace the magic, summon your creativity, and let Firefly light up your artistic universe like never before. Remember folks, the magic of Firefly Photoshop is just the tip of the iceberg in the ever-expanding world of creative technology. Don't miss out on more mind-blowing updates, tutorials, and awe-inspiring discoveries that will fuel your artistic journey. We have weekly videos launching covering the topics of AI, VR, and all new tech updates. If there's a topic you want covered, comment on the details below, and your article could be featured on our next tech video update. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of digital wizards. Together, we'll continue to explore the realm of creativity and unlock the secrets of the digital universe. So don't be shy. Click that subscribe button and let the enchantment continue.